Hi everyone. I received a question on how to find the assignments that are at the end of the chapter. So I wanted to kind of show you just screen-wise what it looks like and how to see them. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the Revel tab and we're going to click Access Revel Assignments here. Now remember, my view may look a little different than yours, but it is still the same concept. So when I click, it goes to this, and then I'm going to select this screen here, and I'm going to go into my Revel course itself. So in my Revel course, again, yours is going to look a little differently. It brings up your dashboard. It tells you how you're doing. I'm going to click on resources, and that's where your book should be. If yours is not, please let me know. If we go to open the book, then it's going to take me to the table of contents or wherever you last were. So mine is taking me to the beginning, and I'm going to go over here to the left, and I'm going to click on these three bars, then I'm going to hit menu. For our first assignment, it is case 3-1. So I'm going to show you how to find that. So I'm going to go to 3-1, and I'm going to scroll down, and you can see the different topics that they have here. So with our first one, we're going to go down to where it says Chapter 3, Summary and Case Conclusion. When I go there, it's going to bring up several different sections. So I'm going to, if you arrow over here, you can see that it goes to the next section and it tells you what that next section is. You can also arrow over to the left and it shows you what was the previous section. So I clicked on Summary and Case Conclusion, and then I'm actually going to arrow over to the right where it says AIS in Action. I'm going to click there. And then it's going to take me to the comprehensive problem. I'm going to click through there because that's not what we're assigned. Then it has discussion questions. I'm going to click to that. And then you see Chapter 3 problems. So I'm going to click on Chapter 3 problems. And it brings you the, hold on, I skipped too far. Chapter 3 problems. All right, so if you were doing a problem, this is where you're going to see it. If it's a case, you're going to scroll down past the problems. So I'm going to scroll down and go past the problems. There are several in this chapter, so I'm just going to continue scrolling. And after the problems, we're going to see the case. So here's case 3-1 for Dub 5, and it gives you the information that you need for the case. And it tells you here that you're going to write the following narrative summary, and it gives you that information. So that's the case for Chapter 3. For Chapter 4, it's a problem. So I'm going to go to Chapter 4, and I'm again going to go to that summary and case conclusion. And I'm going to again scroll over until I see that Chapter 4 problems. And then I think it was 4.3. So I'm going to scroll down to 4.3. And it's telling you that it says Ashton wants to store the following data for S&S's purchases of inventory, and it tells you what they want to store. And then it gives you your requirements for the case. So there's A through F that you'll create. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you have any further questions, please let me know.